Seeing a lot of fluffy, caring bank commercials at the moment.
Yeah, and not to make light of it or make fun of it, you see a lot of they're trying to position themselves very differently.
Yeah.
And again, at the end of all of this, if all it means is people are better looked after and they're getting products that suit them, they're not being hassled, and they're in a better financial position because their bank's doing the right thing. Yes, more paperwork, more frustrations, more questions. But at the end of the day, would we not all rather have that than just be given money that we probably shouldn't have got in the first place? And then times get tough in 1 year, 5 years, 10 years. Yeah,
it's like when there's a delay at the airport and everyone complains and they sort of bark and moan. But it's like, wouldn't you rather know that airplane is 100% safe and going to get you there and wait 2 hours for them to fix whatever it is? It makes perfect sense to me.
True story. I was on a plane. I was heading to Sydney, and we had the pilot couldn't start the plane, and it was announced over the speakers that we'd had engine failure. So we hadn't left. We hadn't disembarked. Still on the plane and on the tarmac, and everybody was complaining and whinging and talking, and it was almost like irritating to listen to everybody whinge so much. And I said to one of the guys on the way out, would you not have rather had engine failure on the tarmac, or would you rather have just rolled the dice up there? Yeah, absolutely. And look, my industry's gone through a massive change. You will hear brokers that will obviously talk bad about the changes, but at the end of the day, these changes protect your customers that you need to run your business. And if you've done it properly, they'll come back to you. And if you have not, they will not come back to you. So you need to look after your customers. These changes help with that. Yes, all right, it's a bit of a process and it's changed a little bit, but it's for the greater good. But there will be brokers that will drop off. There'll be brokers that can't have the stamina to continue or won't deliver that high level of service. So you will pick up a little bit of market share. And then that'll
absolutely weeds out the brokers that can't perform, doesn't it? Because if you're good at your job, you're still going to be getting loans through.
Yeah, what's that saying? When the tide goes out, you can see who's been swimming naked.
Yep.
Yeah, definitely. And I have a lot of clients that will